Have you ever driven up Highway 49 or down Highway 49 in the Socia area and seen this white gazebo and all these great little portable buildings around, the great selection they have, and think, man, I'd love to have one of those in my house or whatever, but probably can't afford it. Well, do you know that you can actually rent to own one of these? And they've got a great selection to choose from. So let's go check out what they have here at Country Folks. Hey, Ben, good to see you again.
Good to be back.
Ben Sudduth, of course, is the manager here at Country Folks Portable Buildings on Highway 49 in Gulfport. And, you know, last time we were here, saw a lot of the great portable buildings and the gazebos. We want to start off here and talk a little bit more about these beautiful gazebos that you have. And then we'll get into rent to own, can you believe? Yes. But let's talk about these. I mean, these are well made because of who makes them.
Absolutely. These are a Mennonite built product, built in North Mississippi. This is our 10 by 12 oval gazebo. We sell this model to Harrison County. You will see this exact model on the sand beach at Courthouse Road, West End Pier, and we have one directly across the street from the Coliseum. It's an all pressure treated. Everything is sealed, stained. It comes with a 2x8 floor joist where everything comparable to it has a 2x6 or a 2x4.
Mm-hmm.
It's a far better built gazebo than anything we've ever dealt with.
And even the ceilings, I mean, the way they are, you don't see, the thing that gets me is I don't see a bunch of screws coming through the boards up there.
Absolutely, absolutely. The craftsmanship is just superior. It's the best built gazebo I've ever seen.
And you will bring one of these to someone's home and set it up, delivering everything free.
Absolutely. All our products have free delivery, setup, and anchoring.
Mm-hmm.
You can also custom order gazebos, choose your color, your roof. If you want no benches, a swing on both sides. They also offer a glider swing that has a floor that swings with it. Just as it is with our portable buildings, with these gazebos, you can custom order whatever you want.
And they are, as the portable buildings, rent to own.
Rent to own on the same deal as the portable buildings. 2 payments down, rent to own, no credit check. We also offer a 12-month same as cash with approved credit.
That's amazing. Now, you've probably seen this, as I mentioned in the opening, a lot of times whenever you've been driving down or on 49 in the Socia area, close to where you would go into Robinwood Forest, the white gazebo sitting out front there. But of course, the portable buildings is the big thing. So let's show you some of those next here at Country Folks Portable Buildings on Highway 49 Socia. Before we show you this building, I want to show you this beautiful furniture that you have here, the swing sets and everything. And you have a special deal on these if you buy one of your gazebos.
We do. If you purchase a building or a gazebo from me, I'll sell you the furniture at cost, which is exactly what we pay for it. I'll show you my invoice where I pay for it.
Can't beat that.
That swing right there, I sell the swing without the A-frame for $135. If you buy it from me, buy a building from me, I give it to you for $100.
You can't beat that. Well, again, as we mentioned, the portable buildings here is such a great selection that they do have. Buildings, garages that they have. So if you need an extra garage for something, here's one right here. And you can see how well this is built inside.
This is our 12 by 30 LARC lap cider. We have architectural drawings on this building that rated up to 180 mile/hour wind rating. The architectural drawings go with every product I sell. You will never have an issue with code on this building. 3/4 inch floors, tongue and grooved on all 4 sides. It is a sealed building. Mm-hmm. This building has a 7-foot sidewall. Once again, 4 windows, 4-foot door, 8-foot garage door, and 2 electrical outlets. And you can configure this building however you choose on a custom order at no additional cost.
All right, let's step over here and show you another one of the beautiful buildings they have here at Country Folks. Now this one, the interior is framed in wood.
Yes, sir. This is our wood frame model. This building is rated at 160 mile/hour wind rating. I have architectural drawings on it as well. As you can see, you cannot configure another hurricane clip on this building. Each stud has a minimum of 6 hurricane clips per stud. Mm-hmm. The baseboards, the toe boards, and the headers are all lag bolted together. You can see these cross tensioner straps. That is a T-rib strap, where most of my competitors will try to emulate this with a flat piece of banding, which has no rigidity to it at all. This T-rib channel is not, this stud is notched. It goes from floor to ceiling. Adds a lot of rigidity to this building. This building comes with a steel hat track in the roof of it.
Yeah, I was going to ask you about that. I mean, here you've got, instead of the building, the roof being attached to the wooden joists, you've got this hat track up there. Why does that make a big difference?
With the heat that we have in the south, if the manufacturer screws that roofing directly to that wooden stud, the heat will draw that screw back out of that wooden rafter. With this piece of steel hat track, that sheet metal screw will never back out of that steel hat track. The same principle goes for our steel frame buildings. The hat track is not necessary in a steel frame building because you're screwing a sheet metal screw into a piece of steel. This is specifically for these wood frame buildings. I've yet to see another manufacturer that used hat track. This is the premier wooden frame building.
Now, one other thing I want to mention, camera can't get up that high to show you, but I'm going to put my finger up in here. That's sealed. There's you can't put your finger out in there. I mean, this thing is really almost hermetically sealed.
Absolutely. The building, if you shut the windows on this building, it will have negative resistance where you literally cannot slam that 4-foot door shut. As you slam it, it will push back from from it being
from the pressure
airtight.
and everything.
Yes,
wow.
Sir. Yes, sir.
That's amazing. That's amazing. And the good thing about that too is as many critters as we have down here on the coast, snakes, mice, stuff like that, they're not going to get in here.
These buildings are varmint proof.
Guaranteed.
Guaranteed. Varmint proof. You won't have a rat, squirrel, bird. You won't have those.
Squirrel ain't chewing through that aluminum.
No, absolutely not.
Not at all.
Absolutely not.
Now we've shown you some pretty big buildings, and they've got a lot of smaller buildings out here as well.
Yes,
so
sir.
what sizes do you start out here,
I
Ben?
sell everything from an 8x8 to a 24x48.
Wow, you
Yes,
can
sir.
live in that.
Yes, sir. We offer a double wide style building that assembles just like a mobile home does, that comes in and bolts together.
Then, of course, if somebody buys that, you will deliver it, set it up,
That's all
strap
included.
it down, and that is all included in the price.
I also buy back any of my buildings that I sell. If you buy my building, fall on hard times, you know how life goes.
Sure.
I'll come back in and purchase this building back from you.
And of course, the other great thing is that really surprised me is you rent to own.
Yes, sir.
Most places that you go to, you see a nice building, you got to come up with a bunch of cash to pay for it right off the bat.
No credit check, rent to own, everybody's approved.
All right, tell us the hours that you're open out here.
I'm open 8 to 5 Monday through Friday, 9 to 2 on Saturday. If you need to get with us after hours, you just call. We'll accommodate
Set up a time,
you. Absolutely.
especially with the days getting longer as they are.
Absolutely.
If you're looking for a beautiful gazebo, if you're looking for a great portable building, whether it's for storage, a garage, what you need to do is take the drive up Highway 49 or down 49 in the Saucia area. It's Country Folks Portable Buildings. Check them out.